Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back, and I have this 2020 Buick Envision. Alright, so this is a 2.5 liter engine, by the way, and it takes 6 quarts synthetic oil, 0W20, by the way, just so you know. Alright, before I get into this oil life reset, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and the feedback, please put it in the comment box. Alright, car is running as always. You know how I do. Car is running, and you're gonna play with this guy right here. If you see it right there, or if you don't see it right there, you just press to the left, go to info, press OK or check. It's gonna take you there. Scroll down until you see this guy right here, the remaining oil. And all you gotta do from here is press the check, press and hold it, and let it go. And that's how you reset the oil life in this 2020 Buick Envision. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please, if it's not too much asking, put the feedback in the comment box. Alright, I catch you in the next one. Holla at your boy. Take care, and see ya. Okay? Hey!